To print supply status page on this printer, you touch on the icon with a wheel sign, like a wheel picture, and sometimes it or you can call it a gear picture. She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night. Okay. You scroll down and look for reports. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. Okay. Now to print a status page, what you do, like a supply status page, what you do, you just need to print printer status report. It will bring everything, even supply status information included. Okay, let me see what he has printed. Okay, printer status report. It is giving you the network information and the product information. Then down here it will give you the supplies information, like how much percentage is remaining from the cartridges. This report will help you to know, okay, I'm replacing cyan, magenta, yellow or black. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.